So for breakfast, we're gonna have some shake, protein shake. So we put bananas, blueberries, strawberry, and then I'm gonna add my peanut butter, my nuts, all the nuts. And then for lunch, I'm gonna have steamed carrots right there, leftover from the other day, and a meatloaf. See, I gain weight. And then all the weights I have goes here. Here and in some of my face, but it goes here in my tummy. That's our lunch. That's my Roxy girl.